Everyone, my name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to stop by and check us out. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are not subscribed to Seasoned Beauties, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, I have somebody who's sitting in the wings over here.
Hi, I'm back, y'all.
She's back. We just wanted to let you know she was back again. But she's here because she decided she wanted to help me unbox the... What are we unboxing? That one?
No, can we do this real quick?
Okay, we are unboxing the YAS Yes. So, this is what we are going to unpackage on today. We haven't opened it yet. Have we?
Nope.
They can't hear you, nor can they see you.
No.
No, what? What's the
It hasn't been opened.
Yet. So, she's going to unbox with me on today. I said I was going to do unboxing, so she says, well, I'm going to join in. So, here we go. Alright, so she's opening the package now, and we're going to see what's in here. I think we need a description card first. This is for the month of May, and it is Cinco de Mayo. Alright, so would you like to read?
It says, May 2019. The moment you realize you will never pay full price for makeup. Yes, girl! I'm sorry. Your monthly savings, 79% off retail. Discover the goodness inside. Yes, oh yes.
Okay, you heard it here first. So we're going to check it out. YAS Yes no longer lists the items nor their manufacturer suggested retail prices on the cards. So I guess this means now I understand why I've been getting requests for spoilers. That way we can find out exactly what the items are up front, and then our unboxings won't be so long. So the first item we have is... Ooh.
Palette.
Okay. This is a palette, and it's by Beauty Creations. It's called Seduce Me. Okay, so she's showing you the packaging. What you think of that packaging, Legend? They can't hear you.
Thanks.
No.
It's mine. It's okay. It's mine. She got it for my birthday. No, I'm just kidding.
So here is the actual palette. Look at that.
Oh, she got that for me.
These are some gorgeous shades, and they are actually named. What's the matter?
It's the light.
Okay, it's a little bright. Okay, so here are our shades. Legend, you can choose, let's do maybe 3 of them. Okay, and then, nice. That's beautiful. Look at the shimmer. Nice. Okay.
My favorite one is,
what's your favorite color?
I
Or
think
your
my
favorite shade?
favorite shade would be Safe Word.
Safe Word?
I like gray.
Okay, we will be here all day and looking at these shades. They are gorgeous. And of course the palette does have a mirror.
I like the mirror.
So here we go. I might have to get another one of these so I can use it as a giveaway.
Yeah,
That's
I'm
really
sure
pretty. Everybody would like that. Okay, so this is what they looked like.
No, you heard us say giveaway. But remember, we're doing it randomly. So
That is beautiful. And it looked really nice on your skin. Okay, that is item number 1. And the second item is... Can you do that? No. This one? Okay, and this is the Mirabella lip pencil. This is the outer packaging. For item number 2, here's the actual pencil. Okay, that is a beautiful shade. This is a Mirabella lip definer, and the shade is called Smart. And that's what the shade looks like. Okay. I love the packaging on this one. This is really nice. Okay, and the next product. Okay, what is this, Ledger?
That is a face mask.
Okay, this says Detox Diva. Exfoliate and detoxify. It says, and this is one sheet mask. And it says green tea, lemon, and cactus. That's interesting. Want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And the next item?
The next item that we have is a peel lip gloss. It's a holographic lip gloss.
Oh, nice.
Can you see it?
Okay. Good job, Legend.
This looks
Okay.
really good.
Why? Because you want to open it? I just opened a lip gloss. That's the only reason I don't want you to open it yet. And you got the last one anyway. Come on. And our last item is
Laritzi Cosmetics. It is a dupot, and the shade is called Halo. Got it. Yay!
Good job.
This is what the packaging looks like. That's really... Oh!
Oh, be careful. All right. Oh, that is pretty.
This is what the actual packaging looks like. Sorry if I keep holding it too high.
Okay.
I like the packaging because I like gray and silver. And,
You like it because it's shiny. Okay.
A dupot in the shade of Halo. And its shelf life is 12 months.
Very good. Okay. You want to show what it actually looks like? That's what the actual product looks like. Okay, since it's already opened, I'm pretty sure this is like, oh, Jen. That is pretty. Shimmery. See? That's why you like it. Okay, now, I have to tell you, when it comes down to products like this, you need to make sure that you keep the cap on tight so it won't dry out, okay? But as she said, the shelf life on it is 12 months. The items that we received this month in our... Give it to me, girl.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Okay. These are the contents of our May Yes So Yes box, or in the words of the sidekick over here.
Yes. Oh, yes.
These are the contents of our
Yes. Oh, yes box.
Okay. We do hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be
a Seasoned Beauties.
Until next time.
Mwah.
These are the contents of our May
2018. Oh.
Yes Oh Yes.
Oh.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. No. You really don't want to show your face? Why? Bring it down or up or something. What do you want to do?
Here.
Okay. I don't